Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very interesting and useful because we will talk about 5 healthy recipes for quick weight loss. So let's start. Our first recipe is quinoa salad bowl. It has protein-rich quinoa, along with colorful veggies and light dressing. It is not only tasty, but also helps in weight loss. The second recipe is grilled chicken wraps. It has grilled chicken, fresh vegetables, and a nutritious sauce. A perfect balance of protein and fiber which will keep you full and help in weight loss. The third recipe is vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. It is fiber-rich brown rice along with sautéed vegetables. This is a wholesome meal, which will boost your metabolism. The fourth recipe is green smoothie. It contains kale, spinach, banana, and yogurt. It not only detoxes, but will also provide you with essential nutrients. The last recipe is oats and fruit parfait. It contains oats, fresh fruits, and yogurt layers. This is not only delicious, but will also give you long-lasting energy. So, friends, the 5 healthy recipes for quick weight loss. By including these, you will make your diet nutritious and weight loss journey enjoyable. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Watch the next video. Stay healthy.